Hey there, adventurers! Today we're diving straight into the fascinating world of ostriches. These birds are so much more than meets the eye, and I've got Olivia the Ostrich here to help us answer all your burning questions. So, Olivia, let's get this adventure started.
Hiya, Sam. I'm ready to answer all the kids' questions and share the wonders of being an ostrich. Let's go.
First off, Olivia, how fast can you run?
I can sprint up to 45 miles per hour, Sam. That's faster than a car driving through a neighborhood. And I can keep up a steady speed for miles. Our strong legs and lightweight bodies make us the ultimate runners of the animal kingdom. It's like we're built for a marathon every single day.
Whoa, that's impressive. What makes your legs so strong?
Our legs have powerful muscles and long tendons, which act like springs. They help us run, jump, and even defend ourselves with a strong kick. Plus, each leg has just 2 toes, which reduces weight and gives us better balance. It's like having built-in shock absorbers that let us glide across the savannah with ease.
What do you eat to stay so active?
We love munching on plants, seeds, and fruits. Sometimes we even snack on insects for extra protein. Our diet is super diverse, and since we're always on the move, we find tasty treats everywhere we go. Did you know our stomachs are strong enough to digest tough plant material? We even swallow small pebbles to help grind up our food.
Do you live with other ostriches?
Absolutely. We live in flocks, which makes us feel safe and social. Our flocks can have anywhere from 5 to 50 members. Living in a group means we can keep an eye out for predators while also having fun running around together. It's like having a big family that's always got your back.
How do you protect yourselves from predators?
We use our incredible eyesight to spot danger early, and if needed, our legs are strong enough to kick and defend ourselves. A single kick from an ostrich can be powerful enough to scare off even the toughest predators. And let's not forget, we can outrun almost anything chasing us, which is always a great backup plan.
Speaking of eyes, is it true ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal?
Yes, Sam. Our eyes are about 2 inches across, giving us amazing vision to see far distances. It's like having binoculars built right in. Our eyes help us spot predators from over a mile away, which gives us plenty of time to run or hide. With eyesight like this, we're always one step ahead.
Why can't ostriches fly?
Our bodies are too heavy and our wings are too small to lift us. But we've adapted to be the best runners in the animal kingdom instead. Our wings still come in handy for balance while running and for signaling to others in our flock. So even though we're flightless, we're far from helpless.
How do you stay cool in the heat?
Our feathers are loose and fluffy, which helps us release heat. Plus, we'll rest in the shade during the hottest parts of the day. And here's a fun fact. We can regulate our body temperature by panting, just like dogs do. It's a clever way to stay cool under the blazing sun.
Where can ostriches be found?
We're native to Africa, but you can also find us on farms and reserves worldwide. We thrive in savannas, deserts, and grasslands. From the golden plains of Kenya to the vast deserts of Namibia, our habitats are as diverse as we are. Each place offers unique challenges and plenty of adventure.
How big are ostrich eggs?
Our eggs are the largest of any bird, weighing about 3 pounds each. They're so strong, even a human can stand on one without breaking it. Imagine holding the equivalent of 24 chicken eggs in one hand. That's how big our eggs are. They're not just strong, they're also a source of life for our next generation, making them extra special to us.
What's something unique about ostrich nests?
Ostrich nests are shared by many females in a flock. We dig a shallow pit in the ground and all the females lay their eggs together. The dominant female then takes care of the nest. It's teamwork at its best.
Do ostriches have any special behaviors when it rains?
We love the rain. It's refreshing and brings out lots of tasty plants for us to eat. You might see us dancing in the rain, shaking our feathers to enjoy the cool droplets.
How do ostriches sleep?
We sleep with one eye open. This helps us keep watch for predators while resting. Sometimes we even take turns sleeping in a group to make sure everyone stays safe.
Do ostriches ever fight with each other?
Sometimes we do. Males might fight to show dominance or win over a mate. These fights involve a lot of posturing and flapping, but they rarely cause any real harm.
What's the funniest thing about being an ostrich?
The funniest thing? Probably our goofy running style. When we get excited, we zigzag and twirl like we're dancing. It's so much fun.
Do ostriches have good memories?
Oh yes. We remember where to find food and water, and we recognize members of our flock. Our brains may be small, but they're packed with useful knowledge.
Are ostriches curious animals?
Absolutely. We're always exploring and pecking at things to figure out what they are. It's how we learn about the world around us.
Do ostriches ever migrate?
Not exactly. We tend to stay in the same areas, but we'll roam over large distances to find food and water during different seasons.
What do ostriches do during the hottest part of the day?
We take it easy. You'll find us resting in the shade or lying flat on the ground to keep cool. It's all about conserving energy for when it's cooler.
Do ostriches ever interact with other animals?
Yes, we often share the savannah with zebras, antelopes, and other animals. Sometimes we even act as lookouts, spotting predators and warning our neighbors.
Wow, adventurers, what an amazing journey we've had today. From learning about the incredible speed and strength of ostriches to discovering their unique eggs, nests, and behavior, we've uncovered so much about these fascinating birds. But before we say goodbye, let's take a moment to celebrate the beauty of wildlife and the magic of our natural world. Ostriches are more than just big, flightless birds. They're symbols of resilience, adaptability, and teamwork. From their incredible ability to run faster than most animals to their life in tight-knit flocks, ostriches remind us how special and interconnected all living things are. Here at Fun Animals for Kids, we believe it's so cool to see and learn about real animals from around the world. Exploring these creatures and their habitats helps us understand the importance of protecting wildlife and our planet. Every time we learn something new, we take a step toward making the world a better place. Kids, isn't it amazing to think that these animals live in such breathtaking places? From the golden plains of Africa to the lush reserves that protect them, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. And you're part of this adventure. By exploring wildlife and sharing what you've learned, you're helping keep the magic of nature alive. So adventurers, let's make a promise together, to protect animals, respect their homes, and always stay curious about the world around us. Can you say it with me? I promise to protect animals, respect their homes, and stay curious. Thank you, Olivia the Ostrich, for sharing your world with us today. And thank you, adventurers, for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Always remember, every step you take toward learning about wildlife brings us all closer to a kinder, more connected world. Be sure to subscribe to Fun Animals for Kids for more amazing adventures, where we meet animals, explore their habitats, and discover the wonders of our planet. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep spreading kindness. Sound of soft wind and distant ostrich calls.